बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and super stunning diapers cake decoration ideas for baby shower. These are very stunning and creative diapers cake decoration ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very beautiful diapers cake design for you guys. And I hope so you like these diapers cake design. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very incredible and very unique diapers cake design for you guys. So follow for more details. These are very unique and these are very amazing, and these are classy diapers cake design for you guys. Hope so guys you like these craft ideas. These are very unique, these are very amazing and very stunning diapers cake designed for you guys. Remember me in your prayers and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz guys.